Train accidents are unfortunate incidents that can occur for various reasons, including mechanical failure, human error, infrastructure issues, or natural disasters. They can range from minor derailments to significant crashes with severe consequences, including injuries, fatalities, and environmental damage. Here's an overview of common causes, types, and prevention measures related to train accidents. Common causes: human error, operator fatigue or negligence, miscommunication between control centers and train operators, improper signaling or track switching, mechanical failure, brake system malfunctions, engine or wheel defects, failure in automated systems, track and infrastructure issues, broken or improperly maintained tracks, bridge collapses or tunnel failures, faulty switches or signaling equipment. Environmental factors: natural disasters, e.g., floods, landslides, earthquakes. Weather conditions, e.g., heavy fog, snow, or heat affecting tracks. Collisions with other trains due to scheduling or signaling errors. With vehicles at railway crossings. With debris or obstacles on tracks. Sabotage or vandalism. Intentional tampering with tracks or signals. Terrorist activities. Types of train accidents. Derailments, when a train leaves the track, often due to track defects or excessive speed. Collisions, involves two trains, a train and a vehicle, or a train and an obstacle. Level crossing accidents, occur when vehicles or pedestrians cross tracks unsafely. Fire or explosions, may result from technical malfunctions or carried cargo. Spills of hazardous materials, when freight trains carrying chemicals or fuels derail. Prevention measures. Advanced technologies. Positive train control, PTC, systems to automatically stop or slow trains. Real-time monitoring of track and train conditions. Automated signaling systems. Infrastructure maintenance. Regular inspections and repairs of tracks, bridges, and tunnels. Use of better quality materials for tracks and rolling stock. Training and protocols. Comprehensive training programs for operators and staff. Strict adherence to safety protocols and operational guidelines. Public awareness. Education campaigns for safe behavior at level crossings. Warning systems at crossings and along tracks. Regulatory oversight. Regular audits and compliance checks by government bodies. Implementation of strict penalties for safety violations. Broader implications of train accidents. Human impact. Loss of life and injuries. Train accidents can lead to significant casualties, particularly in high-speed rail or densely populated commuter systems. Psychological trauma. Survivors, witnesses, and families of victims often experience long-lasting emotional distress. Economic costs. Damage to trains, tracks, and infrastructure. Disruption of transportation networks affecting trade and daily commuting. Legal liabilities and compensation claims. Environmental damage. Spillage of hazardous materials leading to soil, water, or air contamination. Fires or explosions affecting local ecosystems. Reputation and trust. Loss of public confidence in rail safety. Financial losses for rail operators and decreased ridership. Notable train accidents in history. Eschede train disaster, Germany, 1998. A high-speed ice train derailed due to a wheel failure, colliding with a bridge. Fatalities, 101 people, one of the deadliest high-speed train accidents in history. Bihar train derailment, India, 1981. A passenger train derailed on a bridge and fell into a river due to severe flooding. Fatalities, estimated 750 to 800 people. Granville rail disaster, Australia, 1977. A commuter train derailed and struck a bridge, causing the bridge to collapse onto the train. Fatalities, 83 people, highlighting the importance of infrastructure integrity. Lac-Mégantic rail disaster, Canada, 2013. A runaway train carrying crude oil derailed and exploded in a small town, causing widespread destruction. Fatalities, 47 people, raised concerns about transporting hazardous materials by rail. Amagasaki derailment, Japan, 2005. A commuter train derailed at high speed, crashing into an apartment building. Fatalities, 107 people, with investigations citing excessive speed and pressure on drivers. Modern safety innovations in railways. Positive train control, PTC. Automatically stops or slows trains to prevent collisions or derailments. Monitors train speed, location, and signals in real time. Track monitoring systems. Sensors and drones to inspect tracks and detect defects or obstructions. AI-based systems to predict and prevent potential failures. Crashworthiness standards. Improved design of train cars to withstand impacts and reduce casualties. Advanced signaling systems. Communication-based train control, CBTC, for real-time communication between trains and control centers. Thank you for watching. And thanks for spending time with me today. I'm so grateful you chose to watch this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Wishing you safety, good health, and blessings in all aspects of life. May you always be safe, happy, and surrounded by positivity. See you in the next video.